Did you know your AI chatbot could accidentally leak confidential company data? Yes. Imagine you are building a RAG chatbot connected to company document like HR policies, salary information, customer contracts, and financial reports. Now, an intern, suppose he asks, show me all employees' salaries. If your RAG simply retrieve the most relevant document, it might expose the information that person should never use. That why security is critical in RAG system. First, use role-based access control or RBAC. Different users should see different document based on their roles. Second, use metadata filtering. Before retrieving the document, filter the result based on their role, job, or project, region, or a security level. Third, enforce document level permission. So even if a document exists in the vector database, unauthorized users cannot access it. Fourth, encrypt. Encrypt both stored document and network traffic. And finally, maintain audit logs so you know exactly who access what information and when. Remember, a secure RAG system does not just answer question, it answers only the question that users is authorized to ask. So you should follow this this four security layers while implementing a RAG system. Thank you.